Hello student, good afternoon. Today we have to start the general characters and classification of class Trematoda. General characters or general organization of Trematoda. They are ecto or endoparasites and commonly called as flukes. Body is usually unsegmented, dorso-ventrally flattened and lip-like. Season size varies from 0.5 to 5 mm to 1 or several centimeter in long. Body is covered by thick cuticle and no cilia. Suckers and sometimes hooks are area present, oral sucker present at anterior end for feeding, ventral sucker for attachment located at the ventral side. Epidermis absent, rhabdites are absent. Digestive system consists of mouth, vascular, muscular, pharynx and intestine. Usually within two main branches, anus is absent. In some cases, there is a system of parenchymal vessels showing the presence of primitive circulatory system. Excretory organs consist of protonephridia. There are three pairs of longitudinal nerve cord. Sense organs are poorly developed. Bisexual or hermaphrodite except blood fluke cystosoma. Bisexual or hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means both the reproductive organs present in the same animal or same parasites. And except blood fluke means cystosoma. Cystosoma are the dioecious in nature. Both male and females worm are separated. Single ovary and many testes cross fertilization takes place. Development direct or indirect. Life cycle simple or complicated with more than one host. There are about 6,000 species is class Trematoda. This class is divided into three orders. Order number 1, Monogynia. Order 2, Aspidobothria. Order 3, Digynia. Means three orders present: Monogynia, Aspidobothria and Digynia. Number 1, order Monogynia. Order number 1, Monogynia. This is the general characters. They are ectoparasites, mostly in cold-blooded animals, fishes. Ectoparasite mostly in cold-blooded animals, that is the fishes. The life cycle is simple and passed in one host only, monogeneity. Oral sucker absent, when present is poorly developed. A large disc-shaped structure. The opisthopter is found on the posterior end. It contains hooks and is lined with chitin. Haired excretory pores are present in the anterior part of the body. Male and female genital pores are separate. One or two vaginae are present. The uterus is small and contains few eggs. Development is indirect through a larval stage called Onchomeriacidium. Order Monogynia is divided in two suborders. Suborder number 1, Monopistocotylia. Opisthopter are present without sucker but with hooks. Genito-intestinal tract is absent. Posterior adhesive organs is single or divided by septa. Eye spot usually present. Example: Gyrodactylus, monostyle, heterocotyle amphidala. This is the general characters of Monophystocotylia suborder. Suborder second, Polyopistocotyle. Opisthopter contains many sucker and also hooks oral sucker to opening into oral cavity. Genito-intestinal tract present. Eye spot are absent. Example, polystoma, diplozoon, microcotyle. Order second, Aspidobothria. Endoparasite in the digestive tract of fishes and reptiles. Oral sucker is absent. The ventral sucker is divided by septa into many small parts. The hooks are absent in it. Single excretory pore. Only one testis is present. Development direct without alternation of host. Order Aspidobothria is divided into two families. Family Aspidogastridae. Sucker enormous, circular, oval or elongated, divided by septa into 1, 3 or 4 longitudinal rows of depression termed alveoli. Protonephridial have separate bladders and separate or common nephridiophore situated near the posterior end. Testis single. Larus canal may be present. Endoparasite in the mental, pericardial and renal cavities of calm and snail and in digestive tract of fish and turtle. Example, Aspidogaster, Cotalapsis, Cotylogaster. Family second, Stichocotylidae. Stichocotylidae. It consists of only one genus which live in bile passages or spiral valve of fishes. The life cycle is complex one involving at least two hosts. Example, Stichocotyle. Order third, Digenea. They are endoparasite in invertebrates and vertebrates. 2 to 4 hosts in the life cycle. 2 suckers without hooks, mouth within anterior sucker. There is only one excretory pore present in the posterior region of the body. There is a common gonopore for male and female reproductive system. Vagina is absent. The uterus is long branched with many eggs. Their larval forms reproduce asexually before metamorphosis. Order Digenea is divided into many families. Some important ones are as family Bucephalidae. They are commonly called as gastrostomes. The mouth is located in the middle of the body. Anterior end bears a simple or lobate oral sucker or has generally lobed hooked like extension. Intestine sacciform. Acetabulum absent. Genital pore posterior. The Cercaria larvae known as ox head have a pair of long tails. The primary host is fish and secondary host is clams. Example, Bucephalus, Bucephalopsis. Family Paramphistomidae. Body thick and fleshy with a powerful posterior sucker. Serous pouch is present. Oral sucker is absent. Gonopore situated in the anterior body, half and provided within some general with a genital sucker. Nephridiophore dorsal in front of acetobulum. Uterus long having aciding lime white line glands follicular. These are the endoparasites of gut and bile ducts. Example, Paramphistomum gastrothylax. Next family, Opisthothorchidae. These are diastomes of small to large. They live in the bile passages of fish, eating reptiles, birds, and mammals. Body flat and semi-transparent. Excretory bladder V-shaped. Testis posterior. Genital pore in front of acetabulum. Example, Opisthothorchis. Amphimerus. Metorchis. Family, Fasciolidae. Commonly known as liver fluke. Body leaf-like and acetabulum near the oral sucker. Gonopore just in front of the acetabulum. Testes, ovary, vitelline glands, all are the branched. Example, Fasciula hepatica and Fasciolopsis busci. Family, Echinostomidae. Body slender, elongated with spiny or scaly cuticle. Acetabulum large behind the oral sucker. Collar of spines is present in cercarial and metacercarial stage. It is commonly found in the intestine of birds. Example, Echinostoma, Echinoperinephrium, Echinoperinephrium, Parorchis, Hemasthala. Family, Schistosomatidae. These are blood flukes that inhabit the hepatica portal system and pelvic veins of the birds and mammals. These are the blood fluke and live in the hepatic portal system and pelvic veins of birds and mammals. Sexes are separated. Female lodged in gynecophoric canal of male. Testes numerous and ovary tubular. Example, Schistosoma. Number of families also there. Family, Zonidae. Example, Zogonus nasa. Family, Allocridae. Example, Bunindera plagioporus. Family, Azygidae. Example, Azygia. Any autodiastome. Family, Hemirudae. Helipagus dirogens. Family, Didymozunidae. Didymocystis. Example, family, Gorgoderidae, Gorgoderina, Gorgodera. Family, Plagiorchidae. Example, Plagiorchis, Staphlodora. Family, Dicrocyllidae. Example, Dicrocyllium and Eurypteroma. Family, Heterophydae. Example, Stictodera. Heterophytes. Family, Microphalidae. Example, Spilotrima, Merytrima. Family, Troglotrimatidae. Example, Paragonimus and Troglotrima. Family, Cyclocyllidae. Cyclocylus and Typhloxylum. Family, Clinostomatidae. Example, Clinostomum. Family, Notocotylidae. Example, Notocotylus and Catropis. Family, Strizidae. Example, Ophiostoma, Synethocotyle. Family, Brachylamidae. Example, Brachylima. family Sanguinacolidae, example Sanguinicola. Family Spirochaetidae, example Spirochis. Haplorhynchus, Haplorhynchus. Last family Hieronymidae, example Hieronymus. All these families are included in the order of Digenea. Means main three orders, Monogenea, Aspidobothria and Digenea. All these families included in the order Digenea, class Trematoda. This is the complete general characters and classification of class Trematoda. Okay, thank you.